Okay, so welcome to How to Make a Vodcast. So for this integrated project, you are going to have to make a video which you'll be able to put online and your teachers will be able to see. So I thought I'd walk you through how you do that. So the first thing you'll notice is that we're using this software, Debut Video Capture software, which is loaded onto all of the computers. Next thing you have to make sure is that you have plugged in your set of earphones with a microphone, and that you also have a web camera, which the teacher will supply for you. So there's a couple of things that you may notice. First off, you should all see that in your corner you have this set to WMV. That is a file extension type that works quite well. So if you could make sure that that's selected. The next thing you'll want to make sure is that you click into Options, okay, and you go into Output, and you need to specify where you're going to save each of the videos which you create. So you click here, and then you guys will be able to put it into your own folder structure. So make sure that you've selected it, and then click OK. So the other thing that you'll need to do is go into Record and make sure you've got Capture Sound, so they've got default sound in, and you also want to make sure that there should be an option here which says Front Mic, and that's what you'll want to select. If that doesn't work, you can always select Windows Record Mixer, and you'll be able to see if that works. So click OK. And you'll also notice that what you guys are watching is a video of my screen, my computer screen. So if you've selected this option, you will see what's on the computer screen. If you select this option, you'll see what's on the device. So we'll see what that looks like now. Okay, so when the device button is selected, everything which is visible on the little web camera will be visible in your movie. And so if you want to be on screen, then this is the option that you would select. Okay, so I thought you've created all of these different individual movies, and you need to be able to put them all together. So the way that you do that is through Windows Movie Maker. So the easiest thing to do is select Windows Movie Maker, make that full screen. Now you need to import all of your media, all of the movies that you've made into this program. So if you find where you've saved them, and then just select them. So you can select all of them, or you can do this individually. And then just move them into this program. So you'll end up with all of your movies in here. And now you're bringing them all together. So first thing, make sure that you've got timeline selected. Okay, and then you can just individually drag each of your movies into this. And this over here will give you a preview of it, so you can take it back to the very beginning of your movie and press play. And you can see that this is the movie which I'm just making now. So if you need to, as you're going, you can save this as a project, but when you've finished, what you want to do is publish the movie. Okay, so you'll click this button here, and you want to publish this for playback on your computer. So select that option, and then click on Next. You want to give it a movie name, so for instance I'll call this Vodcast Tutorial. For you guys, you might want to call it whatever you would like to call it. So select where you want to save it. So I'm going to save this just in my file structure, in my own folder. And you click on Next. And you want to select best quality for playback on my computer. Once you've done that, hit Publish. and it will give you the amount of time that it takes for this to finish. So this one's going to take 5 minutes, and I don't want to sit here talking to you guys for 4 minutes because I can't imagine that would be the most interesting video to watch.